Welcome all to the channel Competitive Pedia. Today we are going to discuss current affairs, important current affairs of 29/11/2021, which will be beneficial for all exam aspirants. So let's begin. First question: in which state Cherry Blossom Festival is celebrated? Option A Mumbai, option B Kolkata, option C Meghalaya or option D Rajasthan. So the correct answer is option C Meghalaya. So it's Meghalaya. So Meghalaya capital is Shillong. The CM of Meghalaya is Conrad Sangma. And what are the other festivals of Meghalaya? It is also important. So let's see it. First is Nokrek Dance Festival. Second is Ahai. Third is Shad Shukra and Wangala Festival. These are also important. Please keep it in mind. Next question. World's tallest railway bridge is constructed in which state of India? Option A Tamil Nadu, option B Andhra Pradesh, option C Manipur or option D Assam. So the correct answer is option C Manipur. So it is Manipur. And Indian Railways is constructing the tallest pier railway bridge of the world in Manipur. इसको बोलते हैं रेलवे घाट पुल. And it is part of Jiribam Impal railway line and it tends to connect the northeast with the entire country. Now the bridge is built at a height of 141 meters and the total length of the bridge is 703 meters. Now currently which is the world's tallest railway bridge? So currently the tallest pier bridge is Mala Rijika Viaduct. It is the name of the bridge, Mala Rijika Viaduct, and it is at Montenegro in Europe, and the height of this bridge is 139 meters. But once this bridge will be constructed in Manipur by Indian Railways, it will be the world's tallest bridge with height of 141 meters. Clear? Next question. Who is being appointed as the new PM of Czech Republic? Option A Peter Fiala, option B Milos Zeman, option C Andres Babis, if your option D Sebastian Vettel. So the correct answer is option A Peter Fiala. So here it is Peter Fiala. Now Czech Republic capital is Prague. The president of Czech Republic is Milos Zeman and the currency is Czech koruna. Clear? Now, which state has been adjudged as the state with the highest level of multidimensional poverty? Very important question. Option A Jharkhand, option B Uttar Pradesh, option C Bihar, if your option D Kerala. So the correct answer of this question is option C Bihar. Now it's Bihar, and the first ever multidimensional poverty index has been released by Niti Aayog. Now this index measures poverty at the national, state, UT and district level. In Bihar, of the total state population, 51.91% are multidimensionally poor, making it the highest level of multidimensionally poor state in India. So it is the very poor multidimensional state. Now top 5 lowest poverty states across India. Which are these? First is Kerala, only 0.71% of the state population are under poverty. Second is Goa, only 3.76%. Third is Sikkim, 3.82%. Fourth is Tamil Nadu, 4.89%. And fifth is Punjab, 5.59%. One of the most important is the Kottayam district of Kerala has registered zero poverty across the country. So it is most important fact, which is the Kottayam district of Kerala, and it is the only district in the country which has registered zero poverty. Clear? Next question. What is the name of the new COVID-19 variant which is classified by WHO recently? Option A Omicron, option B Unicron, option C Multicron, or none of the above. So the correct answer of this question is option A, Omicron. Clear? So here it is, Omicron. It is a new COVID variant B11529 and its name is Omicron, and it was first reported in South Africa. As per WHO, the strain may spread more quickly than other forms. Clear? So what is the full form of WHO? World Health Organization. It was established on 7th of April 1948. The Director General of WHO is Dr. Tedros Adhanom and the headquarter of WHO is Geneva, Switzerland. Clear? Next question is, what is the name of India's first privately built cryogenic rocket engine? Option A, Shikhar 1, option B, Space 1, option C, Dhawan 1 or option D, S400. The correct answer is option C, Dhawan 1. Clear? So here it is, Dhawan 1. A Hyderabad based space technology startup by the name Skyroot have test fired it. Okay, the rocket engine is named after Satish Dhawan, who is an eminent Indian rocket scientist. Now Dhawan 1 is completely made in India. Clear? It is completely made in India, cryogenic engines, and it is developed using 3D printing with a super alloy. Now who is the CEO of Skyroot Aerospace? It is Pawan Kumar Chandana. Clear? In which state first cyber tehsil of India will be created? In which state first cyber tehsil of India will be created? Option A, Maharashtra, option B, Madhya Pradesh, option C, Gujarat or option D, Haryana. So the correct answer of this question is option B, Madhya Pradesh. So it is Madhya Pradesh. It will make the mutation process easy and people from anywhere in the state can avail this benefit. ये जो है नामांतरण की प्रक्रिया को आसान बनाएगा और व्यक्ति किसी भी जगह से इस प्रोसेस को अवेल कर सकता है, लेकिन द प्रोसेस ऑफ कन्वर्जन विल बिकम कन्वीनियंट इन द केस ऑफ अनडिस्प्यूटेड लैंड ओनली. अविवादित जमीन प्रक्रिया के केस में ही ये जो कन्वर्जन का प्रोसेस है ये काम करेगा. Now who is the governor of Madhya Pradesh? Mangu Bhai C. Patel. And who is the CM of Madhya Pradesh? Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Next question is, Collins Dictionary name dash as the word of the year 2021. Option A, Swift, option B, crypto, option C, NFT or option D, check. So the correct answer of this question is option C, NFT. It is the Collins Dictionary word of the year 2021. So what is the full form of NFT? NFT full form is non-fungible token, and the Collins English Dictionary is published by HarperCollins in Glasgow. Okay. Sheikh Sabah Al Khalid Al Hamad Al Sabah became the new Prime Minister of which nation? Option A, Yemen, option B, UAE, option C, Oman or option D, Kuwait. The correct answer is option D, Kuwait. Clear? So here it is, Kuwait. So Sheikh Sabah has been awarded with the Order of the King Abdulaziz of first class in 1998 by Saudi Arabia. So he is also been conferred with the award of Order of the King Abdulaziz of first class in 1998. Now who is the Crown Prince of Kuwait? Sheikh Misal Al Ahmad Al Sabah is the Crown Prince of Kuwait. Now Kuwait capital is Kuwait City and Kuwait currency is Kuwaiti dinar. Clear? Now, who is the author of the book Contested Lands, India, China and the Boundary Dispute? Option A, Jhumpa Lahiri, option B, Maroof Raza, option C, Irfan Habib or option D, Poonam Lal Dahaiya. The correct answer of this question is option B, Maroof Raza. He is the author of the book Contested Lands, India, China and boundary dispute. So Maruf Raja is a former army general and the book features the history of India's boundary making with Tibet and China and also analyzes the present situation of India-China border contestation. जो बाउंड्री डिस्प्यूट है इंडिया चाइना का प्रेजेंट में भी, उस पर भी ये हाईलाइट करता है ये बुक. ठीक है. So guys, this was for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, share with among your friends, families, and keep learning and keep growing. Happy learning, Competitivepedia. May God bless you all. Thank you.